Assalamu alaikum. I'm here in Marrakech at the bus station, specifically the CTM bus station. And there are several bus stations in Marrakech, so depending on what city you want to go to, you might have to go to a different one. You basically can't go to one bus station and expect them to have all of your destinations. But today, I'm going to Agadir. So that brings me to the CTM Car Voyager Mahta Al-Safri. We gotta catch the bus, otherwise we're screwed. All right, go, go, go. Are we missing it? We're not fast enough.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're not as fast as Ziyech.
Yeah. The bus is
Four.
4 dirhams.
All right.
4 dirhams. You get to work. You will go anywhere.
There is no rain.
So today's a happy day.
Especially in Agadir, no rain.
No
Since
rain.
I think 2 years or 3 years. Because when it rains, everything becomes green, and you know it's.
I don't know how excited I am about the rain. In my opinion, this is a boring vlog because it's raining and everyone's at work and we don't have many interactions, so not much content to be made. But since the Moroccan people love rain so much, I'm doing this one out of respect for the culture. Check it out, it's pouring here in Agadir. And so, to celebrate, we will go to the beach. Because what else are you gonna do when it's raining? You should go to the beach. Good amount of rain for Agadir, huh? You don't like putting the hood on, huh?
Yeah.
You like getting your hair wet?
Yeah.
Sammy is a real Moroccan. He loves feeling the wetness of the rain. So we finally made it to the beach here in Agadir. Check it out. It's actually a beautiful place, this whole coast. And in the distance, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but what does it say up there?
Where?
What is the writing on the mountain, the Arabic writing?
Allah al-Watan al-Malik. It's the last words of song of Morocco.
Oh, the national anthem.
Yeah, we say Allah al-Watan al-Malik. It's
Allah al-Watan al-Malik.
Allah and the country and the king.
Yes.
This is
God, the country, and the king.
Yeah.
Wow. Allah al-Matam al-Malik. So if you're in Agadir and you're chilling on the port, you don't want to drink, read anything, you can just come here. It's a little mini ski. What else do you do on a rainy day in Agadir? The beach. It's empty. I thought all the Moroccans are gonna flock to the beach because they love the rain so much. Where are all the happy Moroccans in the rain?
This black flag means this black flag. This means don't swim because the beach is really dangerous.
We don't need to swim, but maybe we can take a walk on the sand. What do you think?
Okay. Okay, it's good.
You're down to do anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should take you for more adventures, for more vlogs.
Yeah.
Sammy's not a complainer. He goes with the flow. So we made it on the beach of Agadir. And honestly, it's quite enjoyable. Surprisingly. I'm liking the rain here. What do you think?
It's good. The
It's
rain.
peaceful, no?
Yeah. It's boring here, but I feel good.
Don't you feel alive?
Yeah.
I feel alive with this rain in Morocco. Perfect time to be in Agadir. Wow. All right, the rain's really picking up. I'm gonna shut off the camera because I don't even know if it's waterproof. I think the camera's okay. It's windy, cold, and rainy for the first time on this Morocco trip. Wow. Hello, brother. How much? Quick. شحال؟ شحال؟
$1,000,000.
واحد مليون دولار. No, get out of Maghreb. No more. $1,000,000.
Sugar.
Yes.
لا شاطر.
منين؟ مزيان.
بنات.
Yeah, مزيان.
دوق السكر دابا.
هو هذاك أسخن.
الله يرفعك.
Leftik.
Thank you, brother. يلا.
Did I say it correctly? Leftik. Am I saying it correctly?
He said, huh?
Am I saying that correctly? Leftik.
الله يحفظك.
Lahaftik.
Yeah.
What do they call that coffee?
كواب بلا شو.
Kawab al-shub.
Yeah.
This right here is kawab al-shub,
Yeah.
which is basically coffee and cinnamon. Wow, that's incredible. This guy wants to brush off the sand from my shoes and Sammy wants to haggle with him. How much should I be paying for this?
5-0.
5?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna pay 5. Just so you know, I wanted to give him 10, but gotta be Moroccan about this.
Give him your.
ما عندك واش تدير هذه خلص عليك.
Oh, nice. Nice. He's actually doing a really good job.
عزيز علاش حيت فاش كطيح الشتا كيكون الارض كيكون فيها الربيع وداك الشيء لي ليغيوم خضره تيسير داك الشيء علاش.
I just want to say to your fans, sorry for my English because I don't speak very well English.
It's okay, man. Your English is great. You get the best English in Morocco. Come on.
Thank you.
So for those of you who don't know, Agadir is actually a city that was heavily destroyed in 1960 when the biggest earthquake that Morocco has ever seen hit the city. So when you're walking around the city, you'll notice a lot of the architecture is modern, but here especially, these buildings are super new, super nice. Right on the port, right in the marina of Agadir, which you can see right here, Marina Agadir. And this is where the rich live. So in the marina here, you'll start to see all these shops, brands, designer shops, and a lot of things that you really wouldn't expect when coming to Morocco. You know, a lot of people usually make videos about the whole oriental side of things and the old school side of things, which, you know, we all love seeing when we come here. But who would have known? Look at this luxury here in Agadir. Salam. شتا. شتا الحمدلله شتا. Who do you think is going to win?
Morocco. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Morocco, Spain. We think 2-0.
Yeah. We will revenge.
I don't know.
We will revenge.
Yeah.
ما كاينش
So our rainy day tour is coming to an end here in Agadir, and yeah, it was interesting to see. There was actually a surprising amount of people out. I had fun. I hope you did too. What are we gonna do now?
going on.
Go home, eat some lunch,
Yeah.